What is up, guys? It's me, Austin, here, and tonight we're going to be playing a little bit of World of Warships. Well, I'm going to be playing a little bit of World of Warships and just kind of trying to see what you guys would be interested in seeing. I mean, I don't have much for ships. Once the game gets loaded, you'll be able to see what I have. And heck, I'm really just thinking of doing a bunch of discussions videos while I play World of Warships in the background. I'm gonna give you guys a little warning right now. Right now, I'm getting 53 frames per second due to the fact that I'm in a loading screen and it doesn't take that much FPS. However, once I get into gameplay, I'll be lucky to be getting above 20 frames per second because I happen to be playing this game on a slightly older Toshiba satellite. So let's get into it. I've been playing a lot of destroyers lately and thinking of taking out my Nagato. Yeah, I think I'll do that first. If this thing ever loads. Alrighty, honor to heroes, let me guess. Commander XP. I guessed it. But I don't know if I want to take out one of my Congos either. You're tier 7. But you 4 gain me free experience. I'll go with Kirishima. Check it out. 8 frames per second. 9. 8. That sounds about right. 10. Oh, wow. See what I mean? Yeah, I can play it and I can get results. Just not all the time. And you guys probably, I wouldn't be, if I was you, I wouldn't be surprised if I started lagging a bit. And then you look down at how fast I'm going, and I'm doing like 2,000 knots. But I'm kind of new to the YouTube scene. Just let me know what you guys kind of want to see. You know what you guys want to talk about. I'll probably upload again in roughly a week. So we're just gonna chill out here, and I'm gonna play this battle in my Kirishima. So yeah, down in the comment section, let you guys know if there's anything you want to see. If you want me to keep doing World of Warships, if you want me to do anything else. If you want to know how some of the ways I've learned to play the different ships in World of Warships. Just let me guys know. Just let me know, you guys, and I will tell you, my laptop cannot play War Thunder. I tried. It didn't work. You can't play a game at half a frame per second. You just can't do it. You just can't do it. It just doesn't work. I'm sorry, guys. And sometimes I get a little over the top. Oh, yay! Tier 7s! I'm gonna die! But, yeah, I'm gonna let you guys know that sometimes I do get a little over the top with my reactions. Like, if I happen to see torpedoes coming at me, then, it's not gonna be a good time. I will not enjoy that. Load, 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 load.
Let's give them a hard time.
I think we're gonna go A. Sharnhor seems to agree. Somebody got my Poi reference, yes! Seems like our friendly destroyer's complaining about just getting it out of the ship wash. What? What? No, Fiji. No torpedoes for you. Aha, time to rock out with our docks out. I see you. Who's aiming at me? Oh God, no! Please, please, no, God, please, no. Oh, okay. No, God. No, that's even worse. Oh, did he just? Is he packing high explosive in those 15s? I think he is. Meanwhile, I'm packing armor piercing in my 14s. But he's a Scharnhorst. Either way, it doesn't matter if he's a Scharnhorst or the Nassau, which I really think is supposed to be Nassau, but for some reason they put it in as Nassau. Both of them have torpedoes in the game. Oh God, I got 3 enemies targeting me with a main battery. What's over here? New Mexico. Stop blowing holes in my ship! Pongo, please, no. Sisters shouldn't shoot at each other. Oh. Oh God, they're both over there. German sisters. No! We lost the destroyer! No, I overled! Scheiße! I'm not sure. If you guys see anything, any like noob moves I'm doing, let me know. That'd be great. I like to know what I can do better and what I'm doing. Please tell me I didn't just blast that island. Okay, thank God I didn't just blast that island. Omaha! You're kind of scaring me. Nassau. I know he's over there. I know you're aiming at me. Fucking toad. What? Frame rate does not do good for sound. What? No flooding? PG, is it you? I'm just gonna have my guns chilling over here because I know that not Nassau's over here. Oh, look at that, I'm going 4,000 knots. What? Ouch. Commander, you need to leave the ship. Did he get away? Commander got away. Well, that's gonna conclude this battle. So yeah, like I said, if there's anything else you guys want to see, just let me know down in the comments section below, and I'll read through them. And yeah, we can have a discussion on things. Well, not really a discussion, because you wouldn't be able to respond, but I can talk about some things you guys want to talk about. So yeah, just let me know. And that is gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me get destroyed on my tiny little laptop. But, it was fun, so alas, I must bid you guys adieu. However, I will see you again, those of you that stick around, next time.